What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you guys the most significant modes for drifting, which means is after this mode you probably will be pro drift ready. So it is the angle mode, which is the suspension mode for your drift car. My setup is very simple: an angle kit plus a eBay coilover. So what is a angle kit? Basically, it's a lower control arm, a camber plates that allows you to change camber, casters, and also, more importantly, make your steering knuckle to turn more in radius so that you can have a bigger steering angle. And in this video, I'm gonna quickly have a time lapse to walk through what have been done, like how do I get this ready and installed on the car, and what's the result after that. So as you guys can see, the result is really amazing when I compare side by side with my F80 M3 there, and you see it's almost double the steering wheel angle. So for the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna have a quick time lapse to show you guys what I have been done for the car. How do I remove it, how do I reinstall it, how do I test the fitment during the installation, and make sure it's no rubbing and it is perfect fit and making the max angle for my suitable driving style. So before I tighten in everything and install the other side, I do a test fit of it. As you guys can see, the wheel is tucked out so much because the lower arm is much longer compared to the stock one. So that's why I probably need to flare it later. But this setup looks really sick from the outside. Even the ride height, as you guys can see, is a little bit higher, and then you can definitely see the wheel gap between them. But it's okay, I'm gonna fry it, I'm gonna fix it later. But first, let's focus on the performance first. So the sick angles will make us fly in drifting. So from what we left on from the last video about the E36 is actually after this summer jam event, I broke my clutch. The car ends up broke down and I have to tow it back. It is a very excited event because I got to be able to try out the car, see what is missing from the current platform. That's also why it brings me to start molding the angles and suspension, etc. And of course I need to fix the clutch as well. For this video on the second half, I'm gonna give you guys a quickly walkthrough of what I have done for my clutch. And basically I bought a eBay clutch, and after that about 2 weekends of replacing the clutch, I have a very nervous moment by the time when I try to test it. And let's take a look at the result. Hey guys, welcome. This is another day. Actually, there was a couple of bolts and stuff left after 1 o'clock yesterday, and today I refilled the transmission oil, and I think right now is the moment of truth. So this is actually my second time to change a clutch. The first time is I changed a clutch while the S13 transmission was broken, and then I changed the clutch together. So see if I can do it in one shot. Like, I'm really nervous at that time, like while I start the car. Alright, it looks good, like everything is working proper. I didn't see crunchy noise, I didn't see very reacting of the car, so I think that's a pass. And then the eBay clutch has no issue, it feels very good, like it's just like other performance clutch. I don't know if it will last such long or not, but at least current stage I feel like it's good. After 2 weekends of working on it, here is the final product. I'm pretty happy with what I got usually. And with the stick angle, I can probably do a much better job for this car on drifting. And here's it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you, and remember to subscribe. If you like it, please click the like button. I'll see you guys next one.